Hello everyone, we'll be taking a socks and put the needle and thread like this. Stitch it carefully as shown in the video. Put these stitches now on the back side as well, fix it like this. Now turn it from the down side as well and put these stitches one by one. Put it very carefully as shown in the video and then tie it like this. Tie it and then fix the cloth inside each other and make a shape as shown in the video. Now make the lines with the white color thread like this. Stitch it carefully as shown in the video and then put the needle on the sides and make its eye like this. Now using black color thread and the knot stitch you can make its eyes like this. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Make two eyes out of it. Now we'll be making its mouth like this. You can make a doll using this technique. Now make its mouth like this and fix it. Now after that put it and your doll is ready. Next, we'll be taking a cloth and cut it like this from the middle and the sides. Now, we'll be putting like this and draw the lines. Now, using the chalk, draw the lines and then cut the other cloth like this of the shape. Put it on both the sides. Now, using the lace, you can stitch it with the help of a sewing machine like this. Follow the same step on both the sides. Now, take another cloth and put a chain over it like this and then fix it like this. So, cut it very carefully from the between and turn it like this and put these stitches with the help of the sewing machine like this. Now you can put a lace on the sides of it and stitch it carefully. Now after that cover it again. Now turn it inside out like this and you can get a shape like this. Now you can fill the cotton inside it to make the pillow and it's done. Next, you can take a cloth and put the stitches with the help of the sewing machine like this. Put a rubber band on the one side and the other side as well and fix it like this. Put the stitch together by folding it like this. So watch the technique very carefully how we have done it. Now fix it. So here we are making the DIY scrunchies at home. So fold it like this and then put the stitches on the sides. Fold it one by one like this and put the stitches very carefully. Now put the stitch on the top side as well. Fix it like this and then you can get a scrunchies. You can make few more as such at the home and you will get a very well result out of it, and look how beautiful it's looking. You can fix it from the front as well and it's done. Next, take a jeans or a pant and cut it like this, or you can take any cloth and cut it like this from the ends. Now after cutting it, we can put these stitches. So first draw the lines over it and then we'll be putting these stitches like this using green color thread. Make the zigzag or V-like shape over these stitches and the cloth after folding it. Now after that, you can fix it till the end in the same manner like this. Keep fixing it till the back. Now after you're done with this, you can turn it inside out and it's done. Next, you can make your jeans smaller at home. So just fix the thread by drawing a V over it and then draw the stitches in the same manner as we are drawing here. Keep repeating the process till the top like this and put the stitch equally like this, and then at the end stretch the thread and it will get close like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.